I'll show you how to launch products. I've launched a lot of products. 6 figures a week, 6 figures a month, platinum, free time. And it's gonna be step by step. And you don't need to spend money on ads, and it's not a pyramid. And if you stay to the end, I'm gonna give you something for free. Even though it's about launching, I'm also gonna show you other stuff. Tons of different business models. Hit me up in the questions box. Send me an email. The webinar is gonna be this long. Take notes. I'm gonna give you 7 steps to launch your product or service. Stay into the end because step 6 is awesome, step 7 is awesome. All right, so let's do it. My first site was a music site, and then I built all these other sites. I get tons of views, sell domains, then started to teach how to do it, and then all over the marketplace. Passed the Google test. My numbers are crazy. Your numbers might not be crazy, but you didn't have a mentor. That's why I'm here. It doesn't take money to make money. When I got started, I was broke. It was much harder to do back then. There was no Facebook, no YouTube. I made a lot of mistakes, so you don't have to. You don't need to be an expert, but you need an expert. Deliver quality products and services, but you don't need to work 2 years on your product. And your competition is your friend. You need it for market research and for your affiliates. And if you have the value, nothing else matters. Step 1, are you gonna have quality? I know this looks hard to do. It's actually fun to do. I also make cartoons. I spied on my competition and they were selling things for way too expensive, and so I undercut them, put it on ClickBank. All this money started to flood into the account, and then there was these seized car auction databases. I took the model and then turned it into a beat site. Totally dominated the hip-hop beats industry. Conversion rates were insane. Best business model ever, like a fire sale. Theirs was $30, mine was 30 cents. Step 2, where are you gonna launch? All these marketplaces are awesome. You get a lot of cross promotion. It's like the billboard charts. Number 1, what type of offer? You can sell all sorts of stuff. Even sold a control panel, creative solutions, blueprints. And then step 3 is your niche. I'll tell you the good ones, the bad ones, how to do them different than everyone else. My students are amazing. After beats came music lessons. Outsource the talent. Use a football coach. Use a violinist. Split the profits 50-50. Just do one niche and then do spin-offs. For the first 5 years, I didn't do any email marketing and I made all this money, and lists are built from launching, not the other way around. Here are some examples. Leads get old. Step 5 is conversion. I've converted at 10%. You could do 4%. Made $1 million in a week. This is the ultimate recipe for value. You don't necessarily need to do a sales page, but if you do, then this is how. Attention, interest, desire, action. It's got to be at just the right angle to support life, just like an exoplanet. Here's the price to value scale. That's the only reason why my sites are successful. Use the conversion calculator. Step 6 is leverage. This guy made me do a launch. I didn't know what one was. He gave me 3 weeks notice, and then it did 175,000 a day. Now what do? Stop sending me money. No, I really want to send you money. Why was this so easy to do? Call a manufacturer. Create a box of DVDs. Spend a lot of money. Put on a Santa Claus hat. Only sold 15 of them. 2.0 did real good. Awesome lifestyle. Don't work too hard. That's why I have time off and tons of happy customers. I leverage it. I pimp the talent. She made a really good digital product. I did the marketing. She was like, holy mackerel. I got a simple secret. Free traffic. Plug it in the marketplace. Affiliates sell your stuff. Most of my Facebook ads are affiliate promotions. The vendor always wins. All right, so there it is. So now, let's launch. Don't leave. I'm going to give you a digital product. This is what we went over. I'm sure you were like, holy moly. We went over 3 myths, 7 steps, product, service, free traffic, how to get views, make sales and tons of products, how to make $1 million in a week, help you get your conversion right. Yes, that's how it went down. This is definitely going to help you out. If I could do it, you could do it with these step-by-step blueprints, because having a mentor is like car versus bike.